At daybreak in 1942, the A6M Zero was the cutting edge of naval aviation. Sleek, light, and lethal, it carried the Empire's hopes across the Pacific skies. This pristine fighter, rolling from the carrier deck, would one day be lost in the jungles of New Guinea.
Trailing heavy smoke. Do you copy?
Copy. Cylinder's gone. Holding her. As long as she'll give.
Stay with it, 2-1.
Zooming in, topography resolves. Flight path in burnt orange. And right here, the pulse, that's our zero. Latitude 11 degrees 19 minutes south. Elevation 1,180 meters. Locked.
Copy. Stand up, line round.
Visual on the starboard wing route.
Marking position. Hold here.
Wrist positive hit. Rivets intact. Definitely aircraft skin.
And 78 years dormant.
Rotor grip biting the air. Cable under load. Feel that hum.
Pitted aluminum, edges fractured. Throttle quadrant set just here. Listen to that rust loosen. Zip tie, snug. Rust flakes collected for analysis like orange sand. Every component logged, mapped, and waiting to come back to life.
Listen to the teeth mesh, deliberate and unhurried. Rollers glide along steel tracks, a dry rumble that tapers as the doors part. Air changes here, open space, just enough echo to feel the volume. The Zero's bones rest on the cradle. Corrosion.
Measuring the entry point, 12.8 millimeters. Edges rolled, no exit on this panel. Brushing corrosion away for the scanner pass. Data locked. The digital mesh looks clean. This panel still tells the whole story. So
Bubbles are forming evenly, collapsing nice and clean. In the moment, and a light brush there, that edge is free.
Hear that steady hiss? That's the glass bead stream peeling away 80 years of oxidation. Each pass reveals the alloy's true color, a satin silver with those faint golden heat tints. Look closely. You can see the tiny machining lines and pits from wartime tooling coming back to life. Original
Listen to that hiss. Heat colors rolling out gold, purple, blue, letting cool, close, shielding the bead. Perfect. A little mist to settle the temp, and a couple taps with the shrink bar. together nicely.
The new piston slides into its bore, oil cushioning the rings. Cylinder seats true to the case. Torque wrench set. Listen for the click. Perfect. Oil for the rocker gallery. Slow, heavy, golden. The crank turns, the rings take their seat with a quiet gurgle. Gears mesh like...
Seating the airspeed indicator. Listen to the screw bite. Solid. Toggle armed. Column free and smooth. Gyro centered. Seat leather settling. And the guard closed.
We start with the sheet softened from annealing. See the straw tint along its edge. The mallet coaxes it into the curve. Now the rivet gun, short bursts. Listen to the way the metal closes up around the shank. File, brush, fingertips, no step. Just a continuous surface.
City fan, 8 inches wide, overlapping 50% corner to corner. The first mist coat flashes, then we lay it wet. Listen to the atomization. Crisp, even. Every rivet sealed, every seam protected. She is completely primed.
Just a whisper of smoke right along the seam. Let it build slowly. There. The mist catches the light. Perfect. See the photo? Same drift, same angle. Now, a touch of oil. Let it follow the rivet and taper off. Nothing overdone, just lived in.
The wrench beeps and locks. Second bolt, same. The joint is pulling tight.
Final balance dead on zero. Listen to the wood. Torque to spec. Click. And another. Tone check. Perfect. Sensor off. Free spin. Balanced. Pitched. Ready for the first run.
Aileron, elevator, rudder, full throttle, no binding, reservoir level in the green, primer on, scudder engaged, single cylinder glider, oil pressure stabilized, manifold 28 inches, RPM 1000.
Wow, she's in the sun. Look at how far this is. Never thought we'd see this.
Fuel cap secure, aileron free and correct, elevator and rudder free, hinges smooth, no play, skin fasteners tight, flight instruments set, magnetos off, chocks in, clear prop area.
Master on, fuel, 3 primes, magnetos both, starter engaged. There's the catch, oil pressure rising, 200 RPM, smooth, mixture set, let her settle.
Main wheels lifting cleanly, speed building. Listen to the gear tucking home.
All those years in the jungle, and now she's flying again.